Welcome back, my friends, to another video. Let's go. You all, I just want to thank you all so much for your support, for rocking with me during this time as I build content and create things that I think are super, super important for you and for all the young artists and people on their journey to performing, and trying to give you tools that I've learned and share them with you. And if you find any of the last few videos helpful, hit me up in the comment section. I really want to know what you think. I'll be glad to elaborate and make more videos. If you like this video and you want to see more, or if you want to create with me, make sure that you're a member of my Patreon account. Patreon is so awesome. You get to choose what types of videos I put on this YouTube channel, and we get a chance to be one-on-one. I'll get to know you, you get to know me. So make sure that you're a member of the Patreon account, okay? The link will be down in the description below. And oh yeah, like and subscribe. In today's video, we're gonna touch base on another pillar in roar school: optimism. Maintaining an optimistic attitude in the face of auditioning, competition, and rejection. Let's get started. Optimism gives you the opportunity to view something with a silver lining, a little bit of the possibility of positivity that something good will come out of something not so good. I think performers and optimism go hand in hand. When faced with challenges, rejection, there is no greater time than right now, seriously, right this second, to begin practicing your sense of optimism. Be sure to watch to the end of the video because there will be a quiz. No, there won't, just kidding. So you're gonna get disappointing news at times, okay? But you have to keep in mind that this moment is temporary. You want to keep moving forward. You want to keep that vision of that goal in your mind and let that vision carry you all the way through until your goal, your dream manifests. Okay? It doesn't matter what the dream is, because it all starts up here in the mind. Mentally strong. It's getting awkward. I should stop. I'm gonna stop now. As I prepare for auditions, I make sure that I have everything I need to do my best. I've memorized my lines, I've memorized my song, warmed up my body, made acting and performance choices beforehand to make sure that I understand the context of the part that I'm auditioning for. Oh, and I've practiced. But I also, as a part of my own preparation for auditions, I make the time to be with my own mind about how I want this performance to go. I call it perfect performance practice. Right in here. If you go into the room, you already kind of have an idea of how it feels to have a perfect performance, right? You're not going in there thinking, oh, how should I feel? You've already kind of practiced that in your mind already. But things happen and you go into the room and you make mistakes. I've done it. I've made a ton of mistakes going into an audition thinking that I knew everything, and I feel like I bombed. And if you go into the room and you make mistakes, or you thought you nailed it and you didn't get the role you wanted, just know that a rejection is not a full stop, the end, period, you suck, get out of here. A rejection is only a redirection. And sometimes you win some and you learn some. This is a life lesson that I want you to take outside of just theater and performance. I want you to take that into your life. Every situation that you find yourself in, you're gonna be able to win at times and learn at times. That way, there's no losing. So today, I'm so excited to do this with you. I've been talking about it for a while. I am gonna walk you through a visualization exercise that I've used over the years that have really, really helped me build my mental strength and feed my optimism. I've worked with students all over the world using these performance techniques, and if you'd like to learn more and train with me, send me a message on my website, syndeewinters.com, and I'd love to work with you. Also, after we're done, I wanna learn what you experienced during this. So You know what to do. Hit me up in the comments below. Oh. Here we go. Hello. Welcome to your mind. For this visualization exercise, you're going to need a couple things, okay? You're going to need a comfortable place to sit, a pillow for your lap. You're going to need earbuds or headphones. And if you're in a place where you can be quiet and there's not a lot of sound around you, that's probably the best place to do this exercise. So you can really focus on what's inside and what's happening in here, okay? I want to do something interesting with you. Now, usually in these visualization exercises or meditation exercises, you'll probably see someone who is sitting at the top of a mountain or sitting underneath a tree with their legs crossed and their arms are like this, right? Well, we're going to shake things up and do it a little differently because everyone will meditate and will visualize things differently. Some people practice their visualization sitting. Some people practice their visualization while dancing, while performing choreography in rehearsal. Some people practice visualization while running, walking. So right now, I want to practice the visualization with our eyes open. Cool? Awesome. So you're only going to hear the sound of my voice from now on. I just want to prep ya. Bye. All right. Welcome to your visualization exercise. Are you ready? Awesome. So right now, I want you to take a nice deep breath in. Go. And out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Last one, breathe in and out. Excellent. Now you're starting to feel the breath go in and out of your body. I want you to visualize on your next couple of breaths that air is going through your nose, down your throat, and into your belly, filling your belly up with air. Okay? Ready? Go. In and out. We're going to reverse it. Belly, throat, out of your mouth. Cool? Excellent. Let's try it. In, out. In, out. In, out. In and out. Cool. Now, you're starting to understand how that air transports itself through your nose, down your throat, and into your belly. You may feel like you want to raise your chest, but just like singing, don't worry about the chest. Only focus on your belly breathing, okay? We're going to breathe 5 more times to make sure that we get this exercise right. Okay? Here we go. 1, 2, ready. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Down in your belly, breathe in and out. 2 more. Breathe in and out. Last one, in and out. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Now, I'd like to invite you to close your eyes. And I want you to keep on breathing in through your nose, down into your belly, and out through your mouth. And while you inhale, I want you to see yourself in the future. How you look, what you're wearing, who you're with, what room are you in? Are you inside? Are you outside? I want you to visualize the feeling that you're feeling right now. In the future, I want you to see your hands and see your legs and see your feet. In the future, you're going to be inside of your own body in the future. Now visualize yourself feeling full and joyous and passionate about what you're about to do. Whether it's perform, sing, dance, recite a monologue, whatever you are going to do, I want you to feel the feeling of how good it feels to perform that task, okay? Excellent. Remember to breathe. Excellent. How are you feeling? In this moment, As you're seeing your future self, do you feel nervous? Yeah, well, that's a part of the gig. Nerves are a good thing, okay? Nerves are just a reminder that something matters to you, something is important to you, right? But we, in this moment, while no one's watching, right here, right now, you can control your nerves. You can experiment on how you get through feeling so nervous about messing up, making mistakes. If you make a mistake, you forgive yourself, offer yourself some grace, and you bounce back and you move on. That's exactly what your future self is going to do because you have already seen it in your mind. Excellent. You're nailing it. Now remember to breathe. Take a nice deep breath in and out. In and out. In and out. Beautiful. Imagine the feeling that you're feeling when you walk into a room, how others feel about you when you walk into a room. Are they excited to see you? Do they want you to be there? They're so grateful that you're there. And you are so grateful to be there. There are no feelings of, will they like me? Will they accept me? That goes away because the people in the room already accept you. They've asked you to come. So take ownership of that. Take pride in knowing that you get the chance to go in there and feel accepted. And no matter what happens from this point, you are winning. You're nailing it. Excellent. Excellent. Remember to breathe. Live in that joy for a moment. Feel how it feels. Let it go through your entire body as if you are radiating and glowing so big and so bright and feeling so good that nothing can stop you. You are nailing it. And when you're ready, take a few more breaths in and out. And gently come back into your own body. Take your time, and when you're ready, open up your eyes. Whoa, how was it? Welcome back. I cannot tell you how happy I am that I get to share this with you. Just a little snip of what I do to get myself mentally prepared for performing. Visualization exercises are super important to get you prepared for your auditions. They are also super important to help feed your optimism, the way that you handle competition, anxiety around auditions, and rejection. It's so important, and sometimes we don't think about how we should be navigating no's. And I'm here to tell you, this is a beautiful way, another tool for you to put in your bag of tools and of techniques and tricks as a performer to help you get to the best, highest level that you can be. Thank you so much for being with me today. If you like this video and you want to see more, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll be posting videos all the time. If you want to help me put together some of these videos and help create content, chime in on some topics, how we can make more videos on topics that you want to learn more about, make sure that you're a member of my Patreon page and we get to have that one-on-one interaction. I love you. I'll see you real soon. Stay woke, stay wise. Peace.